You've made the investment in your fleet, so why not protect it with the right lubrication? Lubrication that can reduce your total cost of operation. Effective engine lubrication is critical to protect high-cost vehicles and to minimize downtime because of frequent oil changes, unplanned maintenance, or even component failures. The right oil can help protect against deposits and provide wear and corrosion protection, extend equipment life, and increase fuel economy. According to an international study commissioned by Shell Lubricants, fleet owners do not always have a clear understanding of how lubricant product features can correspond to total cost of operation savings. For example, of the business owners surveyed, fewer than 40% understood how wear protection, reduced oil consumption through extended oil drain intervals, energy and contamination control can correspond to improved total cost of operation. Let's take a quick look at each benefit to understand how it can help reduce operating expenses. Protection against deposits. Newer engines operate at higher temperatures to reduce emissions. This makes deposit and sludge prevention a challenge for heavy-duty diesel engine oils. Do you know that dirt in the engine, whether piston deposits or crankcase sludge, can reduce operating efficiency and increase fuel costs? Higher quality engine oils actively work to remove deposits, helping keep the engine clean and protected. Also, wear protection is particularly critical at high-pressure contact points. Heavy-duty engine oil forms a protective film that helps reduce wear under heat and pressure. Corrosion protection. Combustion gases and acids can cause corrosion, increasing the risk of engine failure. The right lubricant helps neutralize them by reducing oil oxidation and controlling acidic byproducts of combustion. Long oil life. Oxidation, soot, oil thickening, and acid buildup contribute to oil aging. High-quality engine oils can help maintain performance characteristics in the presence of contaminants and oxidation byproducts. Fuel economy. The latest low-viscosity heavy-duty diesel engine oils can help increase fuel economy while delivering the same wear protection and oil life as their thicker counterparts. Fuel costs can make up almost 39% of total fleet operating costs. So a lubricant that helps increase fuel efficiency by even a small amount can reduce your total cost of operation. The Shell Rotella family of products is built on the triple protection legacy of performance, designed to help lower your total cost of operation. Starting with Shell Rotella T4, formulated to provide wear protection, deposit control, and oil breakdown resistance. Shell Rotella T5 delivers improved oxidation protection under extreme conditions, enhanced corrosion protection, extended drain capabilities, and improved fuel economy performance. And Shell Rotella T6 offers excellent protection under extreme high or low temperatures, as well as improved fuel economy performance. Whether you want to increase engine efficiency, save fuel, and/or reduce lube consumption, Shell will work with you every step of the way so that you can do what you do best: supply our nation. Learn more at shell.us/transport.